Next tune, Mr. DJ. Yeah, I'm from America, Mukachima. Kazina kasape Sinanga kashima. Thank you so much Muzei wa Flay. Thank you so much Muzei tuwe muko. Muzei tuwe muko muko. Muzei good. Kashima, Sinaga Kashima. We love you so much, Suzanne, and the family. Thank you so much. Pick up yourself, please, Mama Jawagi. Ibura Ibu, Ibura Ibu, Ibura Ibu, Ibura Ibu, Ibura Ibu. Kwenye kanche kweli muna matawa uzina hisi babaluwa shake your body do kaluwa zendi boni sita jeba kujute banko kama nyoli rika kama nyoli wembule ulisolonga mwe chiche kufumu mwe wembule mo barazo wembule mo na Amerika wembule barazo wembule mo wembule mo foundation. Arumanya kuna kwenye shukuru wajaula timara futuru wikari na tifika
Wemblemo Foundation. Susan, we love you. Can you somebody bring us here at the birthday of our princess? Yeah. Oh. We love you so much. Keisha, we love you. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Hey. Ibura, Alien Stone, Alien Sitoni. Uwe mama piano. Alien Where's our Kesha? Kesha, atuwe mwana piano. Kesha, happy birthday, Kesha, baby. Happy birthday, Kesha. Happy birthday, Kesha. Kesha, happy birthday. Thank you so much for being us here. We love you, huh? Okay, high five, our boss. Good. Okay. Let's go. Okay. This is for Kesha. Kesha. One more for Kesha. That is for Kesha. This is for Kesha. Okay, this is for Kesha. Sekarusania. Sekarusania se. Kesha no muganda nyo ganya wa Kesha yo bosu ya yetu wa balance ya bochi anyige. How many now? Kesha, Kesha. We love you so much. I'm birthday, Kesha. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Zikiza. We love you so much. Happy birthday, Kesha. Thank you so much. Isma, thank you so much for inviting me. Susan, thank you so much for inviting me. Kesha, oh, thank you, boss Kesha. Yeah, clap for Kesha. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We love you, Kesha. Thank you so much. Thank you for creating a smile. Yeah. Thank you so much. May God bless you, the entire family. Thank you so much. Isma, thank you. Suzanne, thank you for making this happen. May God bless you. I'm called Wemblemo, the founder of Wemblemo Foundation. We are using the creative art of dance to change lives. And I am called Wemblemo. These young ones, they come from street, they come from different community of Uganda. But I try to change their lives through dance. Through my foundation, I've created many celebrities here in Uganda like Tenge Tenge and others. Otherwise, next time I wish to bring Tenge Tenge in this place, okay? Otherwise, we love you so much. May God bless you. Suzanne, thank you so much for giving us this. Thank you so much for hosting us. The money you gave us is the one I use to share with the young ones, even the one whom I've left at home. We love you so much. May God bless you. We love you. More life, happiness. Kesha, I wish you blessings, okay? Yeah, I love you. We love you so much. Next time.